Did you know that some common vegetables we eat daily may actually harm your health? Today, I'll reveal four seemingly harmless vegetables that could feed cancer cells if not consumed correctly. Can you guess which vegetables are on this list? One of them might be sitting in your fridge right now. And the third vegetable on this list will surprise you the most. Make sure you don't miss it. Let's start with the first vegetable you should watch out for. It's incredibly common and often finds its way into your daily meals. Potatoes are one of the most popular staples in our daily meals. From French fries to mashed potatoes and potato soup, it's a favorite for many. But did you know that when fried or roasted at high temperatures, potatoes can become a health risk? This is due to the formation of acrylamide, a chemical compound created when the starch in potatoes reacts under high heat. Studies have shown that acrylamide can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Fried and roasted potatoes typically contain much higher levels of acrylamide compared to boiled or steamed potatoes. To reduce this risk, try cooking potatoes by boiling or steaming instead of frying. These methods preserve nutrients while significantly lowering acrylamide levels. Additionally, soaking potatoes before cooking can help remove excess starch, making them safer to eat. Bahesain. Some healthy and delicious dishes include boiled potato salad with olive oil and herbs, mashed potatoes with almond milk, and creamy potato soup with vegetables. You can also try baked whole potatoes drizzled with olive oil, a light and healthy snack option. Potatoes can be a nutritious choice when prepared correctly. Next, let's dive into a common leafy green that could harm your kidneys if consumed improperly. Can you guess what it is? Spinach is often considered a superfood due to its rich nutritional content. However, if not consumed properly, this leafy green can do more harm than good. Specifically, spinach contains a significant amount of oxalates, natural compounds that can harm your kidneys if eaten raw or in excess. Oxalates can bind with calcium in the body to form tiny crystals, increasing the risk of kidney stones, especially in individuals prone to this condition. But don't worry, simply blanching spinach before eating can significantly reduce oxalate levels, protecting your kidneys. After blanching, rinse spinach with cold water to maintain its freshness and completely eliminate excess oxalates. You can use blanched spinach in salads, add it to soups, or stir-fry it for a delicious and healthy meal. Spinach can become your health ally if used correctly. But you'll be surprised to learn about the third vegetable on this list, which not only harms your stomach, but also causes other health issues. Stay tuned to find out more. Bell peppers are among the most popular vegetables, widely used in dishes for their vibrant colors and unique flavor. However, did you know that for some people, bell peppers can irritate the stomach if eaten raw in large quantities? This is due to solanine, a natural compound found in nightshade vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, and eggplants. Solanine can irritate the digestive system, especially for those with sensitive stomachs. It may also cause mild discomfort, such as bloating or stomach pain. If you often experience stomach discomfort after eating raw bell peppers, try cooking them lightly. Cooking reduces the solanine content and makes bell peppers easier to digest. You can add bell peppers to stir fries, roast them, or use them in soups to enjoy their flavor without worrying about digestive issues. Bell peppers can be a fantastic addition to your diet if prepared correctly. The final vegetable on this list, however, might surprise you as it can harm your health even if it seems perfectly safe. Can you guess what it is? Carrots are a highly nutritious vegetable, rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes and skin. However, eating too many carrots may not be as healthy as you think. Excess beta-carotene can lead to vitamin A toxicity, putting stress on your liver and affecting overall health. Beta-carotene in carrots is converted into vitamin A in the body. While vitamin A is essential for health, overconsumption can cause toxicity, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, yellowish skin, and liver damage. This is especially important for those taking vitamin A supplements, as excessive intake of carrots could exacerbate the issue. To enjoy the benefits of carrots without the risk of vitamin A toxicity, balance your intake to about 1 medium carrot per day. Combine carrots with other vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers to maintain a balanced diet. Try preparing carrots as a salad, soup, or stir-fry to diversify your meals. We've just learned about carrots and how to consume them wisely to protect our health. But have you ever felt constant fatigue, noticed dull skin, or faced digestive issues? These could be signs that your body needs a natural detox. Let's find out more now. Our body has a natural detox system through the liver, kidneys, and digestive system. However, when you consume too many processed foods or are exposed to harmful chemicals, these organs can become overwhelmed. So how do you know if your body needs detoxing? Pay attention to these signs. First, you may experience chronic fatigue, feeling drained even after getting enough sleep. Second, your skin may appear dull, yellowish, or prone to breakouts due to toxin buildup. Third, you might face digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or prolonged stomach discomfort. These signs are often caused by consuming too much processed food, sugary drinks, or your liver and kidneys working overtime to process toxins. You can incorporate natural detox-supporting foods like spinach, broccoli, or drink warm lemon water in the morning to stimulate detoxification. Additionally, increase your intake of leafy greens, stay hydrated, and limit sugar to help your body recover faster. Listen to your body. By making small changes to your habits, you'll notice significant improvements in your overall health. Signs your body needs detox are a reminder to pay more attention to your daily diet and nutrition. So how can we build a balanced meal that provides essential nutrients without causing harm? Let's find out now. Balanced nutrition is the key to maintaining health and preventing diseases. But this doesn't mean you have to follow a strict diet or give up your favorite foods. Instead, you just need to follow a few basic principles to ensure your body gets all the essential nutrients. A balanced meal should consist of 50% vegetables, 25% protein from plant or animal sources, and 25% healthy carbs like sweet potatoes or brown rice. Vegetables provide fiber and vitamins. Protein builds muscles and supports immunity, and carbs are your primary energy source. If you lack protein, your body will lose muscle mass, your immune system will weaken, and you'll be more prone to illnesses. On the other hand, consuming too many carbs or sugar can lead to diabetes, fatty liver, and heart diseases. Use a portion plate to easily balance food groups. Each section corresponds to vegetables, protein, and carbs. Plan your meals for the entire week to avoid daily meal prep stress. When eating out, prioritize dishes rich in vegetables and limit fried foods. By achieving nutritional balance in every meal, your body will get the energy and nutrients it needs to function optimally every day. Today, we've explored 4 seemingly harmless vegetables that could pose risks to your health. Vegetables like potatoes, spinach, bell peppers, and carrots are beneficial when consumed correctly, but they can also be harmful if not prepared properly. Remember, eating smarter is the key to protecting your health and your family's well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. This will help me bring more valuable content to you in the future. Also, download the free PDF with a list of alternative vegetables and safe preparation methods in the description below. Get it now to start your healthy living journey. How do you usually prepare these vegetables? Share your experience in the comments below and let us know.